Hey, little cutie. What are you doing? Guess what? Guess what just happened? How our day got started? Yeah, somebody did a huge poop. Yeah. Who did that? You did. Walked in there and just using her playpen, and you could like see it going up her back, and even I got the front side, and I was like, oh, little baby, you did the biggest poop, and she did. It grossed Mary out. Mary doesn't like poop. Nobody likes poop though, do they? No, not even you like poop. Yeah, now you got your pants on that are too big, so we gotta change your pants. Here, show them your trick. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, rah, 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 rah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You blah, blah, blah all by yourself. Good job. Look at your socks hanging out. Look at your socks, you little gangster. There you go. Yeah.
It'd be big for you too, huh?
Yeah. Mom putting her boots on. Yeah. You watching her? Yeah. Good job. Hey, look at that. No, no, no. Yeah. Yeah, Mary made me some food. It's some delicious black bean taco stuff, and I hear some people having a good time in here. Is that baby getting dry?
Yes.
Is that baby getting dried up?
Yes, she is.
You getting dry? Did you just have a bath? Yeah, your second bath of the day because you pooped everywhere earlier today? Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Cute baby. Yeah. 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 More? Open that mouth. Drink it. Yeah. Mmm. That was tasty. Good water. Yeah.
Yes, your daddy teaching you.
Yeah. You got it in your hands real tight. Okay. You want some more? Yeah. Yum, yum. Uh-huh. Oh, big drink. Look at you go. Oh, that's enough. Okay. Oh, yeah. Mmm.
Mmm, yummy. Is that yummy, yummy?
More? All right, here we go. Lay it back a little bit. There you go. Now you can get some. Oh, too much. No? Yep. Oh, yeah. Oh, spilling it. Spilt it. Yeah. Now you can hold it on your own. Try to take a drink. You got it. Nope. Okay. Done.
I had enough. Thank you.
Smack, smack. Smack it on the ground. Hey, Layla. It's raining outside. Yeah. Have you ever felt rain on your little baby head?
Ready? Oh, now you're in it.
It's like, what is this? What is that? Oh, yeah. Stick your tongue out. Get it. Yeah. I'm Mr. Oven Mitt. Oh my. Mwah. Give me a kiss. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Yeah. How you feel about that? Nom 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 nom. Yeah. Nom 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 nom. No. You just stop the land. Okay. Okay, I shall get the bread out now. Bye bye, Layla.
Yum, yum.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, look what Mary made. I will give it a taste.
You know, review my possible Christmas Eve starter.
Yeah, well, I do know that everything that's in here is not in here. It's supposed to be in here.
Yeah, we were missing one ingredient.
But it's pretty good.
Yeah?
You know?
Yeah, it'll do for your family. Impress them.
It'll do. Probably for the onion stuff we don't have in there. Probably make it a little more powerful taste, but other than that, it's still good. I like spinach and cream cheese and sour cream and stuff like that. But, Layla, you can't have the zombie.
But why, Fasha?
There's sugar in there. His head comes off. Oh my goodness. It's 2:27 p.m. and I just woke up. My sleep schedule is thrashed. And look at these girls. They are all dressed up to go outside into the cold. Yeah, Layla's a little cranky right now. She needs a nap, but she's gonna take a nap in the Jeep because that's her easiest nap spot. She just goes straight there while we're driving. She's like, oh, we're moving? Sleepy time. Yeah? Yeah? You got the little bags under your eyes? Yeah. Mary's looking warm in her short sleeve t-shirt and her...
I haven't put my jacket on yet.
Yeah?
Jacket and the boots.
Yeah? You got the curly hair hanging down? Mm-hmm. You got this big box back here in the background?
Yeah.
Mary, go to the big box dance in that box. Oh, look at that! Big box dance! Big box dance! Yeah! Yeah, we're gonna open that big box up later. Yeah! Get those socks on.
Put them on over the pants.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
do you like
that's
that?
how we keep your feet warm. Hey.
I don't know if you guys have noticed watching the vlogs, but Layla has a little cough.
Yeah, she's sick right
I
now.
think she's gotten herself a little cold. But
She doesn't have a fever or anything, but she's got a cough and she's very mucousy. She's sneezing a whole bunch.
yeah, got your little grab her face.
Hi.
Grab this baby. Grab this baby.
Try and put her mittens on.
Oh, you got gloves too? You're trying to jump off the edge here. I'm trying to push her back. Help me push her back. I only got one hand. God, Layla, you that edgy baby. I'm done with the world. Goodbye. I'm coming off the edge.
Alright, mitten on. Should we put it on your actual hand or just over everything? Let's just put it over everything. That's how we stay nice and warm. Warm. Warm in the winter time. Cause we all
Bless you. Bless you. Sneeze on my hand. You did.
La-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da. They don't go gloomph, gloomph, gloomph.
That true?
Yeah.
They don't go gloomph gloomph?
Yeah, they go la-di-da-di-da.
Oh yeah?
La-di-da-di-da. La-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs
I've seen frogs do that.
Okay, you're all done.
Yeah.
I'm smitten with my mitten, baby.
Yeah. Now you're warm. All right. Now it's gonna get my stuff together and we'll go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's 5 days till Christmas. What's your Christmas hopes and dreams this year?
My Christmas hopes and dreams. I hope and dream that every little boy in the world gets his hand on some big fat booty pants to fit on for all the food they're gonna be eating during the holidays. You know, because those skinny jeans, I don't see how anybody wears those skinny jeans. You can't eat all the food and wear skinny jeans. You gotta get big booty pants. Yeah, I know what it is. My dream is that after the New Year's, not everybody in the whole world's gonna be in the gym that I'm going to, so I can still enjoy it. That's what I hope. Yeah, that'd be nice. But in practical, it's gonna happen. It's gonna be packed.
I think it's nice that people set out all determined to go and try and improve themselves, but it's a lot of them do end up dropping off before February. But I still think it's good that they even try.
Maybe it'll work out the 8th time you go and sign up for the gym after on your New Year's resolution. You stay there for a week. Yeah, maybe this time it'll work out.
I'm rooting for you, gym person.
How negative of me. Hey, gym person, you're just stuffing up the gym for the people that actually want to be there. But good on you for trying. So we just pulled up to this new place I've never been to. It's called Aldi. It's just built. Mary knows about Aldi, and she's been telling me how great it is.
They have them in Australia, and now they've just started bringing them into America, I guess. But it's like just a really cheap supermarket, and they don't have like they don't put as much time putting everything up on shelves and stuff. It's all pretty much just in the boxes. Well, we haven't been in yet, but that's how it was back in Australia.
So you save money because they're not paying the stock people, right?
Yeah, like everything's just, there's the stuff. They don't waste all the time floofing, the money, the floofing.
Sounds like Australia's very hipster about things. No, maybe not. But anyway.
But Aldi has the #1 best rosé for like $8, and it's won worldwide competitions, and it's like this cheap supermarket wine, and it's won all these international competitions. Is that why you
really wanted to come here? So you can get you some of that rosé?
I want to see if they have it.
You go see if they have it? Yeah. Well, now we know. We need an Aldi sponsorship because Mary's all about that. Send her some rosé. Yeah. You're off in this huge machine. You going off road? Oh, you looking real sleepy and confused right now.
Watery.
Oh.
Very
poor little baby. Here you go. Go sleep. Good night. See, you gotta put a quarter in to get a cart. Guess who doesn't roll off change? Me. So we don't have a cart. I guess I can look in the Jeep now so I can find the quarter. Great start. Got no quarters. It's okay. It's okay. This place is alright. It's just a regular store. Discount store. Cool. I look very impressed. Yeah? Poor sleepy baby. Poor sleepy baby. Mary is sad that there's no alcohol section in this Aldi. There's no rosé, Mary.
Why?
Sad day.
Why?
Why? What do you think about that, Layla? Yeah, you don't care? Aw. Layla's Christmas present just got here, and Mary saw it. She's kind of excited about it.
Yeah, I didn't know you got that.
Yeah, and I'm going to show it to you guys. You guys are ready? I'm spoiling it because it's Layla. She's a baby. She's not going to know any better. But you guys get to see what her Christmas present is that I got her. And it is a little book that says The Adventures of Layla and Her Magic Name. Yay! She's got a custom storybook. Yay! Yeah, let's see what the first page says. Starring you. Let's see. Yep, and it's got a girl. These are customized books, so it'll either be a girl or a boy. And it goes through, and it's just a little storybook. And there's like Magic L because her name starts with the L. Yeah, it goes all the way. It just goes all the way through it. It's a nice book. It's a very long book. A lot of stuff in it. Yeah.
That's neat.
Yep, and then Layla is in it. There's just a couple of pages that are in the book that are customizable, like that they add her name to, and I think that's neat.
That's really cute. I didn't know you got that.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
really sweet.
Yeah, it is. It is really sweet. Ah, that's so sweet. Yeah. Yeah, you happy about that?
I am.
It's a pretty thick book, so I guess it'll be one that she'll have to read herself when she gets a little older. But yeah.
Good job, Papa Bear. That was very nice.
What?
Baby cough syrup.
We got some Zerbe's cough syrup for babies. Yeah. We got a nice big old thing full of it. You want to try it out? Mmm. How's that? Ooh. That tastes good? Yeah? Give you a little bit of it? Mmm. Mmm. Don't know. Very sticky. Some more? Some more? It's like when I squirt it, she looks at me like, what? What'd you just do? Mm-hmm. Num num num. Some more of that? Squirt. Yeah? You just don't know? You just don't know about it. You're like, you look confused, but then you're just like, I'd like more, please. Yeah? Some more? Yeah, you gotta take your medicine, Layla. Make your throat feel better. It's gonna help your cough, okay? Yeah. Oh, dripping.
Everywhere.
I'm dripping it. Oh yeah, you got your tongue out? You want more? You know. Yeah, good thing you're about to take a bath, huh? 'Cause you're spilling it. Damn. Big old mouthful. Big old mouthful. Yeah. Are you looking at it?
Hopefully you'll be able to sleep through the night without waking up to cough. Okay?
Yeah. Hope so. She's just looking at it like, can I have some more? That's it. You got it all. There's just some on your shoulder you can look up.
Alright, let's get you in the bath, little miss.
Yeah.
Yay, bath time.
Ooh, Mary, what you making?
Making some turkey and pasta.
Some pasta? You like that pasta? You know I'm fat, right? You try to give me more pasta?
It's
Mary, you like
I
me?
was gonna say it's whole wheat, but it's not.
Do you like me being fat, Mary? Do you like the dad bod?
I do. I like the dad bod. But it's your bod, so you gotta like it.
You see this hair, this beard? I'm never going to be able to ever get rid of it because Mary's going to keep me fat until I die.
Or you could cook your own meals.
I'm just going to stay fat until I die. Can't do anything about it. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this vlog. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, stay toasty, my friends. Bye!